Thank God I don't have to go through the second year of BDS again. And honestly, I'm so glad that chapter is over. Hi guys, I am Bhumi Gala, a third year dental student, and today I am going to talk about the dreaded second year, how really it is and what subjects do we have, and really how I managed to survive it and actually pass. So in preclinicals we have conservative and orthodontics, but in theory we have total 4 main subjects including 3 theory papers and 3 practical exams. So today I'll be sharing how I approached the theory part of it and a few honest tips that made my year less dreadful and less scary than it sounds. The subjects we have are dental material, pharmacology, microbiology and pathology. If you're stepping into second year and if your exams are nearby, so let's dive right in. Let's start with the dental material first. It sounds very simple initially, but when it comes to composition, properties, and tables, it can get a bit tricky. Books which I used for dental material were 3 books. First was the Phillips, the latest South Asian edition. It is the best book to build your foundation to clear your concepts, as well as it is this gold standard book for to refer with your values, numericals, compositions, percentage, and the pH values. So it is super important to get your base clear with the Phillips as it's accurate as well as reliable. Second book which I referred was Mannapallil. I would not recommend you to start studying from that book, but you can add extra points, add notes in that, and it can be the best book for last minute revision as it is short, concise, and precise. Third book which I studied from was the Mahalakshmi, a gem of the book for conservative part of the DM. Explanations in this book are neat and that can help you to fetch some really good marks, and it can help put impact on your answers. One major thing for revising each and every material twice or thrice before your exams is the key to pass. Pro tip number 2, make tabular form. You make comparison tables. I will add my notes here so that you can get an idea on how to make it. And you should not stress about making the perfect notes. Just scribble it. It will be very helpful for you to recall it in your exam. Let's talk about the pharmacology now. It sounds scary, right? But once you understand the pharma behind the pharma, it will be the most easy subject for you. So let's talk about the books first. Firstly, I referred the K.D. Tripathi book for dental students. It is the most standard book. Secondly, I referred Tara V. Shanbag. It is the best book and a beautifully written book for flowcharts and diagrams as well as for tables. So it can make your answers more impactful. How I scored almost 85% in my theory of pharmacology. 2 golden tips for studying pharmacology. First is to read the introduction chapters, to read the pharmacokinetics, to read the pharmacodynamics. So it is very important that you read it. It will help you to build your foundation for each and every drug, each and every system. Building your foundation by reading those first few introduction chapters will help you make your pharmacology a breeze. The second golden tip for pharmacology is to be thorough with the classifications. So you should at least write classification at least twice or thrice before your exams. It will be better, or it will be the best to recall it in your exams, and there will be no spelling mistakes further. For writing answers about a specific drug, there should be a simple and clean format like introduction, origin, mechanism of action, actions, indications, contraindications, side effects. The important points to read about the drugs is the drug of choice as well as the half-life. So you should remember the half-life of some of the drugs which are very much important for your second year. And that's how you make your pharmacological answers more well organized and you can go higher. Pathology. The pathology will be the backbone for your third year oral pathology. So it is very important that you understand it now so that your third year can be a bit easy. For books of pathology, I referred the Harsh Mohan. It is the best, concise and more than enough book for you. Pathology is not all about mugging up, but it is also important to understand the mechanism behind every process that goes in your body. It's better that you add flowcharts and more easier and more understandable. Let's talk about the microbiology, subject we fear the most until we understand the patterns. The book for microbiology which I referred was the C.P. Baweja. It is the best book, it is concise, it is precise, and it is more than enough book. For studying microbiology, I divided it into 4 units. First was bacteriology, immunity, sterilization, and virology. So it is very important that you revise at least twice before your exams to ace your microbiology. Don't forget to make your crisp and short notes that can help you to revise later. All the tips that help me to score good and score higher in second year of BDS. So all the best for your upcoming exams, and don't forget to drop your thoughts for this video in the comments down below. Do like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye. See you later.